Are you looking for the perfect keyboard? Look no further. This is the Keychron K6 Pro. Why is it the perfect keyboard, you ask? Great question. It's a 65% layout keyboard, which is my favorite layout. All the essentials, none of the stuff you never use. It's both Mac and Windows compatible, so if I ever feel like upgrading to the PC Master Race life, this can come along with me. It's wireless. This is essential for me. I'm not going to be picking up a keyboard that's wired. I need wireless. The less clutter on my desk. I like being 6 feet away from my TV, my monitor, whatever this is connected to. I want to have freedom, and this offers that. It can connect up to 3 devices at once, and it has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, which means that it can last up to a month. That's insane. But if you do want to wire this thing up, which I highly recommend you do for gaming, you get a 1000 hertz polling rate, which means that your response times are absolutely insane on this thing. This thing is also fully customizable. What does that mean? It means that it's your gateway drug into the custom keyboard world. This thing is hot swappable, which means you can take out the switches and the keycaps if you so wish and customize it to your heart's content. You can get them with either red, blue, or brown, the typical switches you would get. This one is the brown model, but I will be modding it in the future with different switches, so stay tuned for that. This keyboard also features backlighting, either white or RGB, depending on which model you get. This is the white backlighting model, but those backlights are south facing. I know that some people really care about that. On top of that, it also features foam and silicone in the case to give you that premium keyboard experience. Not only can you physically customize this thing, but you can also customize it in software. It comes with QMK and VIA compatibility, so you can customize this in software to your heart's content for your macros, for custom keyboard shortcuts. That's amazing. But all of these premium features in this amazing package, you would think it would be a very expensive keyboard. No, the model I have right in front of me comes in at $99. That's under $100. And if you get the aluminum version with RGB, it's probably another 15, 20 bucks tops. That's insane. You are getting such good bang for buck with full customization in this thing. All those features in a small, compact, really affordable keyboard case. This thing is perfect. So let's get to unboxing and testing this thing out. All right, we get some nice little paperwork here, warranty, quick start guide, all helpful stuff. And we get some wires. Oh, we get a nice little coiled cable here, little Phillips screwdriver. Windows keys, because this already comes Mac equipped. Love that for me. And the moment of truth, here we go. The keyboard itself. Ooh, ooh, it feels really good in the hand. You also got a switch and keycap puller, which is very helpful. So this is the keyboard right here. As you can tell, it's small, but it looks good. Oof, straight out of the box. That spacebar be thockin'. So on the left side of the keyboard here, you have the 2 switches that are found on the keyboard, which is the Bluetooth off and cable mode, as well as the Windows to Mac OS switch. We also have the USB-C port up here, which is really nice to see for the wired connection. So on the bottom of the keyboard here, we have the nice aluminum finish, and we have the different angled feet. So you can either go full for a bigger angle, or you can just use the little ones if you just want a little bit of an angle, and of course, no angle whatsoever if that's what you prefer. So I have my MacBook right next to me, so we're gonna turn this thing on and get it paired and connected and see how it works. Oh, we got that backlight. We got that backlight. All right, let's see if we go into the settings here. So while we're waiting to try and get this connected to the laptop, let's just cycle through the different lighting effects that this keyboard has, which is actually really, really cool. All right, so we got the keyboard all set up to the laptop right now, and I'm just gonna start doing some typing tests. Cool. Yeah, the typing experience, you know, this is my first ever mechanical keyboard, you know? I've never had mechanical keyboard. I am so used to the chiclet style, like super low profile keys of my laptop, because that's what I've used for the past 10 years? More than 10 years, oh my God. Yeah, so this is new to me. And the whole custom keyboard world is new to me. And I wanted to test this out and get the experience. The keys are loud. The keys are definitely loud. These are what the browns sound like. I'm very much looking forward to modding this to something a little bit quieter. Alright, so overall, what are my first impressions? I think that this thing is an absolute beast. The build quality is great. It has some nice heft to it. The bottom is an aluminum plate, which I really like. I got the plastic coated version because, you know, I didn't want to spring for the aluminum, nor did I think it was really necessary for a board of this size. But, you know, everyone has their own opinion. You can get that if you so wish. And I have it on the smaller feet right now, and I think I like that angle the best. I think I like it, flat might be good too, but I definitely prefer not the biggest angle. I think that's a little bit too much for me, but I know that some people will like that. So the keycaps are double shot PBT, so they're really high quality. They're not gonna wear with the oils and whatnot on your skin or Cheeto, whatever you do on your keyboard. I'm not a huge fan of the colorway and how tall these keycaps are. But again, I'm new to the mechanical world, but I am looking forward to modding this and getting some different keycaps on here. It does sound pretty loud. We're gonna do a sound test at the end of the video, so stick around for that. The fact that it comes with Mac keys already installed, I'm doing all my usual Mac shortcuts and everything's working. I really, really like that. What else is there to really say? This thing is absolutely incredible. It's an amazing bang for buck. It gives you so much customization options. It's wireless, it feels good, it looks good. I think that this is the best keyboard bang for buck in this kind of category, and I love it. But I wanna know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section down below, and stay to the end for the nice little sound test. My name's been Marc Steiner, and I will see you next time.